What is a fraction? I will guide you to understand the meaning of fractions. Let's consider this. I have one orange and I should give it to 2 students. It will be impossible unless I divide it into 2 equal parts so that each gets half. Watch the demonstration for better understanding. One whole orange. Gifty, Ben. I am dividing it into 2 equal parts. Give 1 part to each student. Half. Half. When we combine their portions, we will have a full orange, which we call the whole. The value of the whole orange is 1. Each student's portion is called a half, represented by the fraction 1 out of 2. The number on top, called the numerator, is 1, and the number at the bottom, called the denominator, is 2. So, 1 out of 2 plus 1 out of 2 equals 1, which is a whole orange. Half an orange plus half an orange equals 1 whole orange. Fraction is defined as an equal part of a whole or a group. Now, let's consider another example. I have a pink sheet and I will divide it equally between Gifty and Ben. Using a ruler, I'll create 2 equal parts. I will give 1 part to Ben and the other to Gifty. Initially, when the 2 parts are not separated, we call it a whole because nothing has been taken away. A whole is equal to 1. Each part is a half, representing 1 out of 2 equal parts. When we bring the 2 halves together, they form a whole, which is equal to 1. That's why 1 out of 2 plus 1 out of 2 equals 1. Fraction is defined as an equal part of a whole or a group. Please note this. If we want to call something a fraction, it means that the whole thing from which it comes has to be divided into equal parts. To understand fractions better, let's solve some questions. In the first question, count the shaded parts in the whole division. Write that number as the numerator. Then count the total number of parts, shaded and unshaded, and write it as the denominator. What fraction of each rectangle is shaded? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Question 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shade the fraction indicated in the diagram below. Question 4. Shade 3 parts because the numerator is 3. Question 5. Shade 1 part because the numerator is 1. Question 6. Shade 4 parts because the numerator is 4. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Goodbye.